Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. In today's video, I'll be discussing not related to the technical, but I will tell you about some of the facts uh, related to my personal life. When I was in the engineering, um, actually I'm coming from the very poor background where my father is a farmer, and we were not having that much of money to also pay for the college fees. So I met with the director of the college. I said him that this is my marks are there, and I can see that I have been placed in your college. So I got the seats in the engineering in their college, and the college was almost new. So I told him that I don't have money to pay for your college fees, and he looked out to me and he said like, okay, that's fine, whatever you can pay, you can just start your journey as an engineer. So I got my degree from that college, and later on I started my career in the IT industry. So in the college time, we were not having that much of money to buy the desktop also. So almost I guess in third year I have purchased my first desktop. So till second year I was not having the laptop or any kind of desktop. Fortunately, what happened, I met with one of the manager in the SBI bank, and I requested them to give me the education loan. And by looking to my marks and everything, they approved the education loan, and by using that education loan only I purchased my first desktop. So there I started my desktop career, you can say that, where I have personally seen like how to install the things. So I was the part of one very small village. uh, so whatever the problems comes in that village related to the laptop, I used to figure out like how to install the Windows 7. On that time, Windows 7 and Windows XP was in more demand. Windows 8 was not there, and 10 is nowadays people are using. So I know like how to format the system, and this kind of stuffs I was doing in the village timing when I was the part of village. Uh, so so I got my first desktop there. I cannot show you that desktop right now because it is still there with me, but it is in my hometown right now. So few kids are using that right now. So I got my first desktop where I completed my engineering, and then I got my first job with one of the small scale company where my payment was 10,000 rupees. Out of that, 1,000 rupees was going for some tedious kind of stuffs. So 9,000 I was getting in hand for 6 months. So I stayed there. I learned a lot of good things about the technologies. Like I was working with the PHP framework, so I got programming skill set there only. Then I started my career with the MNC level company. So when I was the part of MNC, I was getting a little bit pay, where I can manage my stuff, I can feed to my family as well. And my younger brother, he was also studying on that time, and currently the situation is right now he's a policeman. He's working in the government Maharashtra government police department now. So he's also got settled down. Currently the situation is like this. So what happened, I got my first desktop there by this education loan, and I started doing the practice. I got a lot of things about the laptop, like how laptop works, how desktop works. So desktop have a multiple things, like you can just remove the disk, you can remove RAM, you can do a lot of stuff with the desktop, where laptop is kind of very soft. So people will think too much before it touch to the physical part of that laptop. So when I was the part of first MNC company where my pay was a little bit good, then I got my this laptop, which I just want to show you. This is a HP laptop which I purchased. I think I paid around something 30,000, and that too on EMI. So I got my credit card from one of my friend. I asked him for the credit card, and I got this white HP laptop. So almost till last year I was using this laptop only. Then I realized like then the things got changed. So I switched the company, I got the hikes, I started training, a lot of things got changed, and currently everything is really settled down. So I got my this laptop which you can see right now. This is Acer Predator Helios 300, which is cost around more than almost 1 lakh now, or more than 1 lakh, I don't know, but I purchased it in 1 lakh rupees. So this is a kind of second laptop which I'm using right now, and the configuration is i7 processor, 32 GB RAM, then we have 6 GB graphics card, and then later on I got a habit to purchase a lot of digital stuffs, which you can see the mic over here, then we have this camera, tripod, then I can't show you these things, but a lot of my total room is of gadgets only. So this is how I started my gadgets career, or I can say that from my first desktop to this laptop right now. So the message that I want to show you, that if you put the efforts, if you put the efforts in your career, definitely you can change a lot of things in your personal life, as well as you can change the life of your whole family itself. And the money will definitely come if you put the efforts. People are asking me what will be my salary when they want to join as Oracle DBA. So I can say them that, see, don't think about the first salary, how much you will get. Maybe it is a 5,000, 6,000 or anything. But you think about how much will be the salary after some years. That will be really good. It's not about the Oracle DBA technology. It's not about any specific technology. If you take a good technology, definitely your hike will be really good. And you know about the IT industry, where the people are not staying at one place. Every year we are getting a hike. Every 3-4 years we are getting the promotions. Whenever you are jumping from one company to another company, then you are getting a much hike if you have a guts, if you have that quality. So if you ask me about what will be my first salary, I would say don't care about the salary. You should care about how much learning is there and how you can kickstart your IT career, because rest of the things you can see over here. The things will get changed. Okay, so this is the message that I was just thinking to show you about the progress, or whatever things you can consider it as. Okay, so I also came from the very poor background. My father was the single person who was earning, and my mother was also doing some house welding stuffs on that time. So I don't have words, but yes, that's a reality. Okay, so now things are really good actually. Okay, so just put the efforts, be strong, and try to make your career as much as strong you can, because your family will be depending on you only. And being a elder person, because after my father, I am the one, my father is having 2 kids, like I am the elder one, and my brother, he's a younger one, and now he's also working with one of the Maharashtra government police, as I said earlier. So this is how things will get changed. Thank you so much. Please do like, subscribe, and share this channel. I have created one course based on the Oracle DB interview questions. If you want, if you're interested to buy, definitely you can get, the link is there in the description section. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.